हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक। हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप आप लोग सब अच्छे हैं, सेफ हैं। रियली सॉरी फॉर माई वॉइस इज़ कम्प्लीटली गॉन। बहुत बुरी तरह से बैठा हुआ है, सो प्लीज़ एक्सक्यूज़ मी फॉर दैट। सो आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन, सेफ एट योर होम। चारों ओर लॉकडाउन का जो अवधि है वो बढ़े जा रहा है। द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द लॉकडाउन इज़ इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे, and the pandemic is also really tough on all of us. And let's see what will happen. And I just pray to God that सब अच्छा हो जाए, जल्दी अच्छा हो जाए, and everyone is सब सेफ रहें, अच्छे रहें, ठीक रहें. And yeah, so before getting into the video, I would like to say that if you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and click that bell icon near, so that whenever I am updating anything, you will get to know, you will get a notification. And if you like this video, please do like, share and comment down below. I will really appreciate, and I'm really sorry for not posting for a long period of time. I have a sprain in right here. It's a little better now, but a lot of pain still. सो या तो आज का वीडियो जो है एक बेसिक मेकअप वीडियो है. वेरी सिंपल, वेरी इजी एंड वेरी यूज़र फ्रेंडली. बहुत आराम से करने वाला होने वाला मेकअप है, बहुत इजी है. एंड मेरे पास कुछ नए प्रोडक्ट्स भी हैं जो मैंने रिसेंटली मंगाए. आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर माई लास्ट box to come, so that I can do a video, a haul kind of a video, that what all things I have got for my makeup. So yeah, so let's get started and let's get into the video. And I will write somewhere on the screen about all the products. And yeah, let's get started. First thing first, I have got a wet tissue. I'm going to wipe my face. I have wet this tissue with water and a little bit of rose water, so that it hydrates my skin, as well as जो भी residue है from my night care moisturizing and everything, वो भी निकल जाए, so that I get a clean surface for my या. सो फेस क्लीन करने के बाद एक बार एक ड्राई टिश्यू लेके आप एक बार डैप कर लीजिए ऑल ओवर द फेस. Always keep some earbuds or Q-tips or and dry tissues handy while doing makeup. It's very useful. So yeah, my face is dry. First thing first, I would like to show you my very new purchase. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aqua Aloe Gel. This is a gel based moisturizer, very hydrating, and very, I just love it. It smells incredible and it's very hydrating. So take some, put it on your face, and just lather it up on the face. Always massage upward, never massage downwards. So that the blood circulation अच्छे से आपके फेस को हेल्दी रखें. So after lathering up the moisturizer अच्छे से एकदम, take some lip balm. I am using my favorite Blueberry Wadi lip balm. And I am putting it all over my lips. Next thing that we are going to do is a primer. So this is another new purchase that I have. This is the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It brightens the skin, modify pores, moisturize and nourishes. This is a 30 ml pack and it I think retails for 349 rupees. It's in a pink tint and it's like a pump. So I will take some in the back of my hands and using my finger I'll first put it all over my face and then I will start to put it all around. So can you see it's a very dewy kind of a primer. It really looks really dewy and fresh and very glossy. I am using it for the first time and I'm really liking it. It's very nice. So this was the first thing that I put it on my face. Next I'll move on to the foundation. For foundation I am taking my favorite Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick in 32 Cortado. This is my favorite foundation of all time because it's exactly my skin color. I will put dots all over my face. And today I'm going to use a foundation brush. This is from Bronson Professional. This foundation brush is from Bronson Professional and I will try to blend my foundation. It's really soft. It's the bristles of this brush is really soft. It's very nice. It's in a very affordable range. I'll try to link it down somewhere. I got it from Nykaa. This is very good. After doing it with a brush, I'll take my damp beauty blender and then I will again damp it all over my face so that anywhere anything is left, it will get covered. The brush did really perform well on my skin. I was not sure that how will the brush perform, but it really performed well on my skin. I'm really liking it. So that's it with my foundation. For concealing my upper eyelid and a little bit near my dark circles, I will take this LA Color cream to powder makeup. This is a little lighter than my skin tone and this is in the shade Buff. So I will take this with my beauty blender again and I will put it just to conceal my eyes, my whole eye, the upper eyelid and the lower eyes where I have my little bit of pigmentation and dark circle. I'll just do it little just below my contour line, just a little bit below my contour line, just to highlight those points. And I'm done with my concealer. If you don't have a concealer, you can buy a foundation 2 to 3 shades lighter than your original skin tone and that you can use as a concealer. बिकॉज फाउंडेशन आर एनीवेज लाइटर देन कंसीलर, तो आपको जब आप बिगनर हैं तो आपको ईजी होगा टू ब्लेंड इट ऑल इन. सो इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जब आप अपना बेस कंप्लीट करें, यू नेवर लीव योर बेस without using your compact powder or translucent powder. Very important, translucent powder are a little lighter than compact powder. अगर आप नए हैं, बिगनर हैं, तो आप पाउडर फॉर्म में उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं सो दैट आपका मेकअप केकी नहीं लगता है. बट दोज हु कैन are good with makeup, they can use compact powder. It's easier. So I'm taking my Biotic Natural Makeup Magic Compact Skin Lightening and Whitening Compact Powder in the tone Sand. Taking my powder brush and I will powder all over my face, especially the places where I had my concealer. सो मोस्टली मैं कंसीलर यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, मुझे नहीं पसंद कंसीलर यूज़ करना, बट once in a while I also enjoy doing a full face of base makeup. So after powdering your face, you are done. You can move on to doing your eyebrows, and after that I'll complete my face once I'm done with my eyes. So I am taking my it's not a branded pomade, but it's from Music Flower Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. I think I got it formulated by someone on Instagram, or I don't remember exactly, but I've been using it for a very long time. I'm taking an angle brush, I'm dipping it in the pot, and I am just, it's not black, it's brown in color, my eyebrow pomade. So I'm just dipping it in and I am trying to fill in wherever I have any sparse areas. Any sparse area that I have, I'm just filling it in. If you are not comfortable with brow pomades or with a brush and a powder formation of eyebrow, you can always use a stick eyebrow or a pencil eyebrow. It's much easier. I also use it, but I just thought that today I'll do a different technique. So if you can see both the eyebrows, this is a little lighter, but this is all filled in. I've already filled in all the gaps here, so it looks a little bit better and filled in. So you again dip it in and just hair like strokes अगर आप करेंगे तो आपको easy हो जाएगा to and I am done with my eyebrows. They are all filled in. Looks a little out of place right now, I think, because I use a very light hand of pencil and just fill it in. Today I have done it really dramatically, but I enjoy it. So the next step that I'm going to do is eyeshadow. So I am thinking of doing a purple eye today, because I have these beautiful shades of purple and pink in my LA Color Neon Shock Panic palette. Beautiful purples in matte and in glitter. So I'll take my a fluffy brush, a rounded fluffy brush, and try to define my crease first. So I just dipped it in one of these brown shades. You see, a lighter brown shade. So I'll just dip it in a little bit, take out the excess, and from the outer corner to the inside of my eyes, I will try to define my crease. So this will act as a transition shade. You can build as much as you want, as much as you like. You can build it. If you want to keep it light, you can keep it light, but if you want to build it, you can also build it. So windshield wiping motion, we say it uh, like this, just go back and forth, back and forth. So this is called the windshield wiping motion. You can just go on, and when you're happy, you can move on to your next eye. I have got a lot of DMs saying that why are you always doing a full no editing video, no edited video? You're doing it a full makeup or just talking a long video. Why do you do that? I got a lot of DMs I get. I would like to say that I like to talk. I don't want to edit my video because I want to keep it really real. I want people to see who I am for what I am. I've also been a lot of I've also got a lot of DMs telling that you should not do makeup because you don't. They preferably say that I don't get into the category of beautiful girls because I'm chubby. I am a little overweight, but who cares? I don't give a damn about it. So the next thing we want to do is take a purple shade. You can take a matte shade, but I am taking a glittery shade because I like glitter shades. A darker purple. There is a lighter one here, but I would take this darker purple in a flat shader brush. This is very pigmented, but if you want, you can just add a little bit of fixer, make a fixer to your flat shader brush, and then you can use it. What I am doing is I'm just from my crease, I am just dragging it down. I am not doing anything else right now. From my crease, I am just dragging it down and covering my entire eyelid. Take the color as much as you want, for as much as intensity as you want. Can you see the purple? I want it to be a little more louder. So what I'm going to do is I'm moving on to my other eye first, and I'm just placing the whole thing on my eyelids, just from where my crease start. From where my crease start, I'm just putting it down on my whole eyelid. So glitter eyeshadows are a little difficult to work if you are not a pro, or if you're not practiced makeup for a long time. It's difficult for beginners to work with glitter. So if you want to have glitters, in that case you can have a liquid glitter. Swiss Beauty has, I think Blue Heaven has, I think all good companies also have, but these are very affordable range. Those are easier to work if you are working with liquid glitters, and if you really like glitters, get some liquid glitters. So I will try to build it as much as possible. So if you can see, the intensity of the purple is increasing slowly and steadily, because you need time for makeup. You really need to give yourself a lot of time. You just can't do it like that. So if you can see, both my eyes looks pretty similar. What I'll do next is I will again take my fluffy brush, the same brown shade that I have used as my crease. I'll dip it in and try to blend the glitter with my transition shade. To get a seamless, no harsh lines and very blended eye look. As you can see, both my eyes look pretty similar, and if you want, you can also use your finger. Take the purple and put it all over your eyes. Your fingers are the best because you see the intensity just got doubled because you're using your fingers. Fingers are easier to use on your eyes and they pick good amount of products also. So as you can see, both my eyes look pretty decent. I'll move on to the next part. The next part is going down under the eyes. I will take a matte purple, not a glitter one but a little shimmer one, matte purple with a pencil brush, and I will starting from the outer corner just put it all over the just very close to the waterline, very close to the waterline. Starting from the outer corner, work it in. I'll let it be like this because I don't want it to be more intense. It will look really like you have just smoked out the purple. After that, again take the blending brush, dip it in the brown transition shade and just blend it down your eyes. What it does, it just looks like, it just gives a very smoky kind of effect to your eyes. You can take a little smaller brush for your under your eyes. You can take a little smaller brush, but you can take the blending brush that you use as well. My eyes looks pretty decent, pretty good. I'll move on to my eyeliner. So I am not using a black eyeliner, rather this is also a new purchase. This is a Twist and Shout fade proof kajal, still got the blue. This is a blue kajal from Sugar. I am going to use it, not a black one, because I'm going to make my eyes really dramatic today. I just feel like I just want it. So from your lower lash line, just create a small line first. Then from your middle of your eyes, you just start and join this line that you have created. It will create a beautiful wing. It needs a lot of practice. I have really struggled with wing eyeliners. I've always used pencils or sketch eyeliner to do my eyeliners because a liquid eyeliner is really difficult to pull off. So as you can see, it just created a beautiful wing. If you want, you just can bring it down halfway. I will just create an illusion of a longer eyes. Don't bring it till your tear duct, because if you put it halfway, it will create an illusion of a longer eye. Similarly, with the other eye, I will just draw a line first, and then from the middle of my eyes, I will join that line and I will finish it off. So crisp and sharp eyeliner, it needs a lot of practice, lot of practice. And you're done. And you are done with your eyeliner. I think for me the most difficult part is the eyeliner, because I still struggle at doing eyeliners, but it just is good. The next step, obviously, mascara. I'm taking my Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in Black Beauty, and I don't use falsies on my eyelashes ever. Never I have used falsies, not even when I got married, because I think I got pretty good lashes. I just use 2 to 3 coats of mascaras. Also like to curl my lashes very minimum whenever I'm going out for partying and all, if I need a very dramatic eyes, so I do curling. But mascaras, get a good mascara and that's it. That will sort you out. Coat the upper. You see, you can coat the upper one and then coat the lower until the end of your eyes. You have to coat your mascara. The clumpier the mascara, the prettier it becomes. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? This is a very good mascara. Very clumpy, but I like clumpier mascaras because they just tend to lengthen the eyelashes really well and give volume also. You see, it just opens up the eyes real well. I'll also take some mascara and put it in my on my lower lashes. People who think that why do girls put a lot of makeup, natural रहना चाहिए, मैं उनको कहना चाहूँगी कि why don't you try putting makeup once? Why don't you try putting an eyeliner once, or maybe a lip liner to just accentuate your lips? Why don't you do it? Can you see the difference what the mascara makes? If you want, you can also coat it. Again, people will say my videos are long, but what can I do? I love doing it. Second coat, and I am done with my eyes. I'll move on to my face quickly. I will take my Sugar palette, which has a blush, a highlighter and a contour. I'll take the contour color. I'll take an angle brush and I'll ever so slightly contour or give a definition to the face, ever so slightly. I think these brushes from Bronzina are really good. Can you see the difference? It just added a structure to your face. Whenever you're doing a double chin or on your chin, the contour should go down. Blend it with the neck. Yeah, and some on my forehead. I'm done with my contour. I'll take the blush. I'll take my powder brush again, add a little bit of blush, smile and put a diagonal line. You can see, I never put it here because then my face will look more chubbier. I put a parallel line to my contour and then take it to my temples, give it a color. As you can see, इस साइड का थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. I'll blend it. I'll just blend it. Add some more here. And I'll add some on my nose also. And I am done. If you think you have a little more here, you can always use a beauty blender to control it. The next thing is highlighter, and for highlighter today I am taking my Nika K Perfection highlighter in Inca. It's a beautiful golden highlighter. I'm taking my highlighter brush, and again it has a lot of fallout. This highlighter is really powdery. You can see the highlighter, it's beautiful. It's just so pretty. I put 3 parallel lines, a contour line, a blush line, and my highlighters. I can also add a little bit here on my brow bone and some on my nose, some above my eyebrows, on my cupid bow and my chin. I will take the pencil brush again. I will take a shimmery shade from this palette again. I will try to put a little bit on my tear duct and on my brow bones. And I am done. The second last step, taking my fixer. This is from Blue Heaven, long lasting makeup fixer. This is for a dewy look. Put it all over my face, damp it with my beauty sponge. The last step is lipstick. Wipe up off your products on your lips. This is my Sugar Plum Yum lipstick. This is a beautiful pink, light pink lipstick. Because my eyes are really dark, I'm just taking a light pink lipstick and I am done. I am done with my makeup. It's gonna be a 30 minutes video. I'm really sorry, but I really enjoyed doing this look. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Follow me on my Instagram. Everything is there on this description box. Take care, lots of love, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.